Let's look at example 15. We want to find x star such that the probability that x is less than x star is equal to 0.9332, where x is a normal random variable with mean of 10 and standard deviation of 2.5. Okay, so let's notice first of all that this says x is less than x star, so we can use our inverse function to find a z-value that is less to begin with, and then we'll use our de-standardization formula to find out what x star is. All right, since it's less than, all we need to do is plug in 0.9332. So let's use the same formula we've been using all along, the inverse, and we're going to put in 0.9332, and we get 1.50056. All right, so now let's use our z de-standardization formula. All right, so x star is going to be equal to, and let's notice in the formula, we want the mean, which for us is 10, plus the z star value we just got times 2.5. All right, so we want 10 plus 2.3, oops, sorry, looking at the wrong one, 1.50056 times our standard deviation of 2.5. And that gives us a final value of 13.75014. That is the x star that we're looking for.